Hey guys, it's Matt, welcome to SpeedTutor, and today I've got a massive environmental bundle which has appeared on Humble Bundle, and it's everything from the Unity Assets store from the developer NatureManufacture. And this is 27 different assets across environments, terrain assets, helpful assets like tools and particle systems, and a whole bunch of different fantasy characters. I'm going to go through all this in the bundle today, and I'm going to split these up so you know exactly what you're getting and you can decide whether to get this. And towards the end, I'll show you how to redeem this. And do be aware that Unity's Black Friday sale is going to be on the Unity Asset Store very soon. That's going to start on the 20th of November, and I'm going to be creating community posts and keeping my website updated to keep you in the know about which assets are 70% off every single day so you don't miss out. So if you go to this bundle on the Humble Bundle store, you'll see that it's a 6, 16 and a 27 item bundle. You can see that for the 27 items, it's as minimum of £23 or around $27, $28. And you can click on any of these and you can see the description and the YouTube video, and you can click on the developer, and then you'll be taken to the store page and you can check it out if you're looking to want to take a look. It comes with 6 different environments. It comes with 10 terrain assets across textures, river making tools, foliage packs, rocks, and loads of stuff like that. It's got 2 armor packs with armors and weapons. It's got 6 different fantasy characters across Medusa, demons, bats, cobras, and things like that. And it's got 3 helpful assets: a navigation and tracking system, world streamer, and fire and smoke particle system. But first of all, I'll go through the environments so you know exactly what you're getting there. So with the environments, it comes with the LVE 2023 and 2019 lava and volcano environments, and the 2023 version does include Ram River 3 to be able to create splines, to create lakes, different fences, waterfalls, and it's got loads of tools to be able to create this lava style. We've got the mountain environment dynamic nature, which did win awards in 2021, with all LODs with 470 environmental prefabs across all pipelines, supported in nearly every single version of Unity with 100% scanned assets. You do also get the River Valley level, which is a 200 by 200 playable mountain-based area, and this is a perfect environment across all pipelines to get terrain started for you. Then we've got the Park photo scanned assets. It's a bunch of modular sets of assets, all in LODs with 91 different prefabs and with its own unique scene across various vegetations, suitable for all pipelines across all versions. Then we've got something called Ice World with over 180 ice materials, 88 textures, demo scenes, shader variants, and vegetation support to create loads of different customization for these shaders. And then of the terrain assets, it comes with the Ram River Auto 2019, and this is a spline system to be able to create rivers, lakes, waterfalls, flows, whether you need that for snow, lava, or whatever. It's integrated in an awful lot of these different assets to create the water systems that you need. We've got the PBR Graveyard and Nature Set 2.0, which is over 2,000 modular PBR assets, all photo scanned, with high levels of LODs, with trees, vegetations, stonework, and everything that you can have for an interior graveyard and exterior scene. We've got the Mountain Trees Dynamic Nature, which is a selection of 62 different prefabs across mountain trees and various vegetation studio prefabs, all coming with bark, high quality textures. We've got the Advanced Foliage Pack 2.0, 29 ground, over 50 different grass, various trunks, snow versions, roots and debris, everything you need for materials and other stuff to create a foliage for different flowers and grass. We've got another one which is the Advanced Rock Package 2.0, which has rock models, prefabs, terrain shaders, rock borders, road borders, and loads of prefabs with moss, grass, litter, and different things. We do have the Weapons and Armor PBR Pack 2 and the Armor Pack 2 as well, which comes with hundreds of different style medieval armors, whether that's for plates, helmets, comes with fantasy axes, shields, maces, staffs, and everything that you can imagine in a beautiful PBR style. We've got the Metal Ghost Knight, which is a knight-based character with particle systems for the head, with various animations, with various styles and adjustments. We've got the Medusa female character, which has a human and a snake theme, with various animations, weapon attack reactions. We got the Demons character, with 3 heads, multiple horn types, modular wardrobe, and a pack with a fully randomizable and morphing character as well. Got the North Star navigation and tracking system, which includes a compass, a radar, and screen edge overlays. So if you need to create something which has its own navigation bar and various compasses and radars, this is a great solution. Got World Streamer 2, and this allows you to stream your game from disk in any axis or space, and you can avoid load times, change backgrounds and terrains, and you can make those into low poly meshes, use a floating point fix system, and do it so that you save on performance. We've got the fire and smoke particle system. I've actually used this one before myself in various different assets, and it's got really realistic smoke and fire. There is also the Golem's Cave monster, which is a monster which includes basic movement and other reactions, and it can be used to be morphed into other situations and characters too. We've got the Bats character, which is a unique bat model, which is animated and ready to go, with really slick animations for flying, diving, and various animations that you can see throughout this character. And there's the Cobra Snake pack. This is a human-sized snake with loads of different attack reactions, spit animations, and different slithers to be able to use this with various customizations. And do be aware there's various terrain texture packs for normal ground, desert, winter, landscapes, and this comes with thousands of different textures in this entire package. I'll show you how to redeem this on the Unity Asset Store. So you choose the bundle that you want, head to checkout, you want to click pay and checkout. And then when you've from there and you completed your purchase, you can click to get your software. And then once you're there, you will get the whichever bundle that you got, and I've got the $30 bundle, and you can click to redeem your key, and you can also click the redemption instructions. So when you click that, you will be taken to the Unity Asset Store to redeem it. Make sure you do copy your key, and when you're on this page, which is the Unity Hidden Gems or Humble Bundle Vouchers, click redeem code here. You will be taken to your Unity organization account, or your account which is for all your Unity subscriptions and such, and as long as you signed in and you've got an organization, you could just enter your product code, and then when you've clicked redeem, it will have a tick on each of the assets that are available. You choose the organization you want to redeem this with, and then just click yes. And this will all be added to your Unity Asset Store account. So what you can do, head to your account and click on My Assets, and you can see that the assets have been all added into my assets down here, so I can choose and redeem these as appropriate. I do hope you find this bundle useful, and it's everything that you want. And do be sure to check out Unity's sale, which is coming up. I'll keep everybody up to date with community posts, exactly everything you need to know. Do be sure to check out all my links down below to check out my Patreon to get over 225 different scripts, assets, and projects you cannot find anywhere else. And a big thank you to all my patrons. Special thank you to Peter Steiner, Very Shuther, and Jennifer for their amazing support. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Cheers.